Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining how to replace this Airmatic compressor in this car. This car is the Mercedes S-Class 400. It's a 222 model and model year 2015. Let me tell you when it's required to replace the Airmatic compressor, because in this car the compressor is coming with the complete dryer. Black one is the dryer which can dry the moisture from air. So in this car the body level was very low. I tried to actuate with the computer but I can't possible. Then I check the air, remove the air hose and confirm if the air is coming or not, but I could not find the air from the system. Then I decided to replace the complete Airmatic compressor. The location of the Airmatic compressor in this car is 222 is the front left side fender. So these are the fitting we have to remove for replacing the Airmatic compressor. Remove the complete Airmatic compressor. So after replacement of this compressor, like you will fix the new compressor, then what we have to do, we have to reset, because the control unit have memory and it's to know how many times this compressor work. So it's better to fixing when new compressor we have to reset, so Airmatic control unit can rememorize and erase the old data of the Airmatic compressor. Then it's a function work like as a new Airmatic compressor, and old one just we have to disconnect the rubber grommet, a small one. There are 3 pieces. Also we have to remove from old and fix it in the new. And these are the fittings you can see here. And check it first properly. All connectors and the hose pipes are fixed properly and no any broken, no any damage. So it will save your time. So these are the jobs required in this Airmatic compressor.